Kenworth storage bay is getting an overhaul. It's probably hard to see in there, but we used to have a propane tank and just open storage. Well, we discovered we don't need the propane tank, so we're going to retrofit this to a shelf storage unit. Brackets in. We're going to stay with just a couple shelves for now, in case I need more room down here for something. Okay, a little more organization on the toolbox. Now we'll be able to find a bit. Added a couple shelves, and now we're a little more organized.